Good morning, friends and ladies. Today I am discussing something which is a very important part of our lives, and that is grooming. A lot of men and women require it, and they don't understand the significance of it until it bites them in a way. Their growth gets hampered because they are not presentable. They don't take care of the way they dress up, they carry and conduct themselves. So I'm not going to take much time, but I'm just going to explain the value of it and why it's important. Um, it's a fact that when you see somebody, you form an impression in just 5 to 15 seconds, and when you do that, you are basically working to create whatever you have created, the impressions you have created. You just want to reiterate and reinforce that. So whether it is good or bad, you are constantly looking for cues in their behavior or personality, which will help you reinforce what you've imagined and thought about them. Why this happens? Yes, very important question. Why this happens is because we really don't remember how a person behaves, but we do remember how they look. So whether you like them looking amazing, you will remember them in a positive light. But if you imagine them that they didn't form a great impression in terms of how they presented themselves, you are going to always feel negative about them. That happens because human memory is photographic memory, and that really works. The second aspect which works is their body language. It really doesn't matter whether what you speak would make a difference. Ultimately, what will matter is how you projected your body language while communicating with them, because body language communication takes care of 55% of our communication overall, not just verbal, vocal. The body language is the most important one. Now how you take care of it? First is the foremost is to make sure that your wardrobe is right. When I say your wardrobe is right, it doesn't mean that you have to invest on an expensive wardrobe. You just have to make sure it is a well-groomed wardrobe with right sets of clothes as per your body shape, your roles and goals, what you want to present in the society. The second thing which is very important besides your wardrobe is how you groom your wardrobe, like whether the clothes are ironed, whether they are in the right contrast, whether you are wearing right appropriate patterns. Yes, there are times when I have seen women and men combining patterns which are clashing, or even the colors which are clashing. So being more aware about it makes a huge difference. And then for women, obviously the way they do their makeup and hairstyle, and for men the way they groom their hair, the beard, whether it's even if they have a beard, whether it's clean in terms of trimming and taking care of all the grooming aspects. So these are few things which you can work on and bring in a huge difference in your life, just the way people come across and perceive you. You will notice a huge amount of change when you look more presentable. The body language and the communication style of people around you would become more approachable and more positive compared to when you are shabbily dressed or casually dressed and you are not you've not taken care of yourself. This also reflects that when you are meeting somebody, how much respect do you give them. So that presentability is the most important part. Whether it's a wedding, whether it's office, you have to make sure that you look well groomed. After that, after so many things in your physical appearance, then comes your communication style, your hard work, your intelligence, and all those aspects. Third aspect which I would like to mention would be the skincare. Make sure that you follow a good skincare routine. If you are not aware of one, then you need to connect to a dermatologist. My favorite dermatologist is Dr. Rashmi Manjunath. I have been going to her for last 1.5 years now, and I've always been very happy with whatever she has recommended. She's very, very careful and conscious about not giving steroids and strong medicines to her patients, and recommend the right skincare routine, right sunscreen, right anti-aging moisturizer, all those aspects. So please make sure that you follow all these. And coming back to the clothing, since you know that we can't wear newspaper and leaves, so you have to cover your body with the best layer of skin what you can cover, that is fabric. So make sure that you wear the right fabric, right clothes, right combinations, and that's going to go a long way for your growth, for your presentation, like how you present yourself. Wish you all the best, good luck, and have a good day. Thank you.